In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the test panels in NIMax. NIMax stands for NI Measurement and Automation Explorer. With NIMax, you can configure your NI hardware and software, view devices or instruments connected to your system and software installed on your system, and many more. First, make sure that you have your NIMax software open. Once open, you'll be able to see different tabs on the left side of the window. To view the devices connected to your system, expand the Devices and Interfaces tab. And there, you'll be able to see what devices are connected to your system. In my case, you can see there is a NICE USB 6009 labeled as Device 1 that I have previously connected to my system. To check whether I have connected the hardware to the system, click on the Self-Test button. A bar will appear at the top to show you whether the self-tests have been completed successfully or not. To use the test panels, click on the Test Panels button on the top. The test panels window have 4 tabs: Analog Input, Analog Output, Digital I/O, and Counter I/O. Let us go through the first 3 tabs. The Analog Input tab allows us to get the readings from the temperature sensor and LDR. We can change the channels using the channel name box here. We will change the input configuration to RSE. And we will set the minimum input limit to 0 and maximum input value to 5. From here, we can click on the Start button to run the test panel. As you can see, I am able to read the data coming from the temperature sensor in voltage. I am also able to do the same for the LDR by changing the channel. Next, we have the Analog Output tab. Here, we can control the lamp using this slider. Before we click the Start button, make sure that you have set the minimum output limit to 0 and the maximum output limit to 5. Lastly, the Digital I/O tab. Here, we can control the LED lights and buzzer, or read the data from the 4 buttons on the 6009 set. To control the LED lights and buzzer, make sure you have selected the right port, then click the Start button. To read the data from the buttons, change the port number and click on Start.